No, it's about Goofy. It's not goofy. Just fun and entertaining, I hope. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the Pezbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, let's talk about a couple Goofy variations. So the first variation I do not have currently. It will get its own video. Right in this area here, it'll have a removable nose piece. Not sure if it just didn't hold up well, but yeah, that is something. The older, okay, plastic spring here, metal spring here. Okay, so this is going to be the older one. But all of these featured will be no feet. These two right here are the made in Austria. Let me flip this one over. One on the right's a 2.6. The one on the left is a 3.9. IMC 8 on the left. There's no IMC on this Goofy here on the right. The hats look very similar, but if you look at the hairs, this one right here, how it comes to a point, this one over here is going to be flatter. So they are two different hairs. And when you look at the size of the nose, see how the nose is smaller here than it is here? Yeah, so there's your head mold variation. So these were made at two different factories. Again, this one being made at the older factory. This one at the IMC 8. And then they had the removable teeth, removable ears, removable hair, removable hat. But you know what? They said, hey, Hong Kong, can you guys do a little bit better? And they did. So the Hong Kong version, wait a minute, there we go. The Hong Kong version, as seen here, made in Hong Kong. This is the IMC 6. Let's see where, oh, it's reverse IMC 6, sorry. Reverse IMC just means it's on the other side. IMC means Injection Mold Company, because they were the company that made this. Okay, so we see the IMC 6, and we look here. These are fixed ears. They do not move. They are part of the hair. When you look over here at the Austria ones, they move and they'll stay into place. But don't go just wrenching them around. Make sure you wiggle them back and forth, kind of loosen them up, because they will sit there over time and you don't want to snap off your ear. Don't be playing with vintage Pez unless you're willing to break it. Right, Goofy? Yeah. So this Hong Kong one, it has the fixed ears. It also has fixed teeth. They made it part of the head mold. So they cut costs by eliminating two molds and some more of the assembling process. Way to go. Hat's going to be different as well. It's a shorter hat made with less plastic, the one on the left. And you can even see how the one on the far right is angled more in the head mold than the one here in the middle. Awesome. So there you go. There's some variations of Goofy. Not to mention the color differences. So until next time.